Yeah, hey, how are you today? I'm back here, so I try to cover some places, especially in a village, and I think that this is a rare experience for you to see. Actually, I'm going back to my hometown, my village, my brother's hometown. So I'm trying to explore more fruits, kinds of fruits. So here, next to me is a small. We call this small papaya. So it grows bigger. So this is about 1 month. Yes, okay, 1 month, and we have to wait until they become bigger. Next, look at here. So big papaya. The color is still green, and it's ripe when it is yellow. So it's still not ripe. We have to wait for 2 months or 3 months till they get ripe. So look at this. They're big papayas. We call them big papayas. Okay, so we're gonna show you some bigger papayas. All right. Okay, next, look at them. The beautiful green big papayas, so huge, and I think it's gonna be ripe soon, but still need to wait for some months. I think it's a nice experience to see some fruits in the garden, and look at the leaves. There are three fruits here. They are still green. And again, look at those green papayas. It's so fresh and beautiful, and it makes the mind feel fresh, especially in the afternoon when you're going out to the garden and looking some beautiful and green papayas, green leaves. Well, let's see. So here is the papaya, still small, still doesn't grow. Look at this. So we have to wait for some months later, and they will become bigger. And after some months, the papayas are getting bigger. Here, look. Do you like it? Think it's so fresh. So we have to wait for 2 months ahead till they get ripe. This papaya so green, and we call this papaya trees. So we're going to village, and look, it's so green and fresh. Especially the fruits, we call this papaya, but it's still not ripe. Yeah, hi there, hi everybody. Do you ever see a soursop tree? So here is a soursop tree. The leaves are so heavy and green and beautiful and fresh. Okay, I'm gonna show you the fruits. Look at those fruits. Okay, looking good. And okay, I'm gonna show you closer. Okay, so here is closer. Soursop. We call this a soursop, but it's still not ripe. Of course, we still have to wait for some months until it gets ripe. Here, so it's really so fun when we are in the garden. Okay. Wow. So green. And I really enjoy to be here full day. Along the day I will be here when I'm going back to my village. Really so beautiful. and you have to see that. Okay, do you see the fruits? Okay, let's see closer. Okay, it's really so fresh and green. Look at them. This one is soursop. Okay, bigger. Do you see? Okay. And I think that one is already ripe. Let's see closer. Wow, it's really big. So this is the garden. Okay, especially fruits. A garden for fruits. There is soursop. There is also banana, and there's also papaya. Okay. I'm gonna take you into the garden. We're gonna explore more things, more plants here. Okay, so green. And I think living in a city, in a big city, is really so hectic and so crowded. So we need to go to a village because there's only silence. There's green things, and it really refreshes our minds from working all the year, working in the city, working in the skyscrapers. Okay. So I really enjoy going to my village once in a year. Once in a year, in the end of the year, I am going to a village, to my family's home, to my family's hometown. So there I can see many things that I rarely see in my working place, in my working area. So this is still a soursop tree. I think so fresh and beautiful. Okay, let's see from a distance. Okay, with papaya trees. I'm sorry, no, banana trees. Okay. So it is much refreshing right here. Okay, so look at this. This is a banana, but it's still not ripe. Yeah, we still have to wait for some longer time, maybe 2 months or 3 months. Those ones also looking so fresh. So everything is fruit right here. So thanks God for this beautiful garden, this beautiful place. So we can refresh the minds. We can see different things. We'll not only see the crowd, we'll not only see the beach, but we also can enjoy the nature, the natural plants. So that would be awesome when we can visit and go around the garden with different things that we've never seen before. Still banana trees. Okay. Oh, there is cacao. Yeah, cacao. I think it's a kind of coffee. And then look at that tree. So that tree is called durian tree, but it doesn't have any fruits because the season is already finished. We harvested the durian some months ago, so today on this December the fruits already finished, and we have to wait for some months ahead to enjoy and harvest the fruits. Yeah, usually durian costs very much, and it's a big money. Then we send this to big cities. Yeah. Look at that. It's really beautiful. So guys, that's all the kinds of foods that I have shown you. So hopefully you can enjoy the video and you can know the situation in a village. And sometimes you have to visit a village like this to refresh your minds, to make you feel comfortable, and to make you fresh in minds and thinking. So see you.